What's going on, my friend? Welcome to the Freedom in 365 family. So what I want to talk to you guys about today is how to get financially ahead. So right now we have over 42.6 million Americans filing for unemployment because of pandemics like the coronavirus. As you can see, over 6 million people every single week are actually filing those unemployment claims. And then you have those people who are thriving in the midst of what's called the recession. So a lot of the times, the people who are thriving, they're practicing something called group economics, which we're getting ready to break down. So as we're actively protecting our families and our futures, it's important that we understand the best way and the fastest and the easiest way to really achieve that freedom. So one of the things that the immigrants do when they come over to this country, you know what I'm saying? I actually came to this country myself from England, but a lot of people come from Asia, they come from Africa, they come over to this country from the Middle East. And what they'll do is they'll practice group economics. So they'll put their money into pools and do business with each other. And when it's their time to take money out of that pool, they'll go take it and they'll usually go start a business, a nail salon, a convenience store. They'll invest in real estate. And so what we actually have here in Freedom in 365 is a similar concept. So what I want to introduce everybody to is the freedom cycle. So what if there was a way that you can absolutely get paid as much as you can possibly handle, right? As much as you're willing to invest in yourself, you can get paid. There is no cap, right? You get paid instantly. You're able to have multiple positions, multiple investments, and not only are you getting paid, but you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. You're learning the exact same skill sets that it took for me to learn how to go from homeless sleeping on park benches and gym floors to making my first multiple six figures in my very early 20s, right? And so just to kind of show you what some of these skill sets consist of, as you can see right here, this is just a random prospect on Facebook that actually paid me $497. How would you like to learn how to create digital assets and learn how to get paid over and over? Here's another example. How would you like to learn how to trade in the foreign exchange markets, trading things like gold and the US dollar and the Great Britain pound? How would you like to learn how to actually invest your money? Well, what we've done here in Freedom in 365 is we put together a model that allows you to collect your money, and we're going to teach you how to compound it, right? So let's talk about collecting with the Freedom Cycler. So first things first, what is the Freedom Cycler? So a lot of the times when we're talking about cyclers, a lot of people don't understand that terminology. So I'm going to break it down, right? We're all familiar with the concept of gifting, right? Usually in traditional gifting platforms, what they'll do is, you may have heard of looms or susus. There's nothing wrong with that stuff. The stuff is helping a lot of people, but a lot of the times people have to wait longer than they would like to receive their money. So what we actually have is a way for you to actually collect money, 100% of the commissions, and there's multiple products and services actually attached. So you're not just passing money around, but you're actually doing business, right? So we've actually created a decentralized platform where you're able to collect 100% of the money, right? So there's a $10 level in which you can invest $10 and get a return of $40. And remember, you can have multiple positions, right? You have a $25 level where you're able to invest $25 and also get a product or service unlocked, but also get a return of $100. There's a $50 level where you're able to get a return of $200. There's a $100 level where you're able to get a return of $400. There's a $250 level where you're able to get a return of $1,000. There's a $500 level where you can get a return of $2,000. There's a $1,000 level where you can get a return of $4,000. And there's a $2,500 level where you're able to get a return of $10,000. So let's talk about how group economics actually works. And I'm actually gonna, in a minute, bring out Darren to kind of explain, Amos to kind of explain how this works. So we do believe that together each achieves more, right? That's what team stands for. And so rather than try to build a business or build a brand or even try to create wealth by yourself, we can actually all do it together. So by simply following the concepts of bring to, help to, get to, what we're able to do is we're able to move together as a unit and even turn a little amount, as little as $10 into over 10,000. Now you may be wondering, how is that possible? I'm gonna go ahead and let Amos actually explain to you how even just yesterday, starting off with somebody who was new and introduced to the system, was able to get all of us paid together as a unit.
Okay, so it's really quite simple, you guys, okay? And one thing I do like about this is that you don't have to wait to get paid. As soon as a person lock in with you, you get paid instantly, okay? Right into whatever processor that you add into your account, from Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Google Wallet, it's basically whatever you choose, okay? So how the cycle of work, and it's very, very simple, you guys. Everyone will pay the sponsor, okay? Which means the person above, the person that brought you in, all right? Everyone is gonna bring in 2 people, all right? And those 2 people are gonna duplicate everything that you do, all right? When you come in, like I said in the beginning, you're gonna pay the person above your sponsor. Your 2 people are going to pay your sponsor, all right? Now, when your 2 people go out there and get their 2 each, which is the 4 at the bottom, the very bottom, which is your pay line, they will pay you. And every business center work exactly the same way.
So Amos, I want to just kind of talk a little bit about the new member that actually came in yesterday, and how did that affect you? How did that affect me? And how did that affect Darren?
Well, they came in at the 10, the 25, the 50, the 100, and the 250 all, at one time. So what happened was, when that person joined all those business centers, we was already in position to earn on those levels, which, was a beautiful thing. It's crazy how fast this thing can actually work. It's simply bring to, help to, get to. She understood the concept. She went all in. Now she's bringing in her team, and she have made her money back already.
That's a beautiful thing. So when it actually comes to being able to manage a business, which essentially this is exactly what that is, it's important that you actually have the right tools, which is exactly why we recommend that people actually come in here and they get the pro membership, which is only $14.99. It comes with a lot of cool stuff, including travel discounts and really a whole lot of goodies. I just want to kind of show you guys this stuff real quick. It makes the appeal of coming in way more powerful, but the other thing it does is it gives you access to tools and resources, services like, for example, the Freedom Funnels, in which you're able to come in here and you're able to build, as you can see, numerous amounts of pages and explanation videos and host your online content. And this is what you're able to get, right? So now you're able to actually turn the system into a vehicle that allows your money to work for you instead of you just working for your money. Another powerful thing that we actually have given you access to is the ability to go onto social media by just posting simple scripts, right? Simple scripts, simple little posts on social media to generate what's called leads or generate interest. So you can actually see right here, we've actually done everything for you. You can literally take number 1 right here. I want to help you reach your goals. The first 50 people to type money, I'm blessing. And you can generate a bunch of conversations. Log into your bank account. If your balance has 2 digits, 3 digits, or 4 digits, comment me. I'm giving 50 more people my secret money maker. People are gonna wonder, what's the secret money maker? I want to make money too. And literally by taking this simple scripts and the simple things that we actually have available and posting this on social media, you're able to start generating those conversations and even simply locking people in as little as $10. Think about if you did that 2 or 3 times a day, right? Just imagine if you just made a simple post 2 or 3 times a day, and because you positioned yourself at the $10 level, you was able to turn $10 into $40, right? Several times a day. How would that help you get ahead? How would that replace your income? Now, when you start practicing group economics and moving as a team and moving as a unit and really, working with the people that pop up on your cycle, really reaching out to them and really getting to know where their positioning is. This is actually where you are able to benefit the most. I want to just kind of close out by asking you, Darren, how did it feel when you were able to generate an income working together with the people who decided to practice group economics yesterday?
Oh man, I think it was super beautiful to actually, position myself first, and to also, be in the right place at the right time and meeting the right people. These kind of systems are recession-proof because it's going to actually teach people, different skills. You got a lot of people that does e-commerce. They don't have to go to these expensive sites and buy a $500 product when they can go to the Freedom Funnels and, and build their own e-commerce store. And, this is the thing that if you get with the Freedom in 365 system, you are saving a lot of money.
Very, very powerful. So whether you guys are coming in as a cycler member practicing group economics, or you become a pro member, remember you're able to get money on all of these digital products and courses. We went ahead and put in all the hard work for you, made sure that this stuff works, it's battle tested, it's proven, it's ready. And anytime somebody's interested in learning to invest, you get a commission. If somebody's interested in learning real estate, you get a commission just for being in position. So what I would recommend is go ahead and join the Freedom Cycler. Go ahead and come in as high as you possibly can, invest in yourself, put yourself in that position, because as we begin to really spread the power of the system to the world, right? Those people can actually end up paying you or somebody else. So you want to make sure that you're in position and you do not miss out. The second thing you want to do is make sure you become a pro member, so you're able to earn commissions on all of the products, so that you're actually able to have digital assets and you're able to have all of the tools and resources to put this business on autopilot, my friend. So go ahead and upgrade right now, and we look forward to helping you get to the next level.